You best believe it's time for another Path of the Preview. Today we're looking at the Fire Prism. And, such a pretty tank. I would like it if they upgraded or updated the hull of the Falcon to be a bit more contemporary, as the designs for that are obviously from the 90s. The turret itself was an update, but anyway, I digress. So we're looking at the Prism Cannon, the all-important main gun of this tank. It only has like 2 guns. It can fire Dispersed Pulse, which is 60 inches, heavy 3d3, strength 6, -2, 2 damage, and has Blast. Very, very nice. It's a bit of a crowd pleaser for crowd control, as it were. Focused Lance is 60 inches, heavy 2, 14, -5, doing 3d3 damage. Oof. That's quite a bit of damage. That's quite a bit. I'm not going to lie. That's quite a bit of damage. Just for 2 shots. And of course, pretty pick. There's a stratagem. 2 CPs for linking fire. Use this stratagem at the start of your shooting phase. Select 1 Fire Prism model from your army, then select 1 or 2 other friendly Fire Prism models within 12 inches and visible to that model. Until the end of the phase, each time the first Fire Prism model you selected shoots using Focused Lance profile of its Prism Cannon, that model makes 2 additional attacks with that weapon using that weapon's Focused Lance profile for each other Fire Prism model you selected. So you can basically add 4 for 2 extra guns. Invulnerable saving throws cannot be made against any attacks made by the model with that weapon. So goodbye your invulnerable saves. So if you want to focus on, if you absolutely need to kill something, this is how it's going to happen for all you Aeldari players out there. Until the end of the phase, each of the Fire Prism model you selected cannot make any attacks with its Prism Cannon. Only makes sense. I mean, they're adding to the one tank that can shoot. But basically, back in the day, this basically was how the Eldar linked fire. You could basically just hide the other tanks and have one tank exposed and, devastate your opponent. But that is it. That's today's thing. I don't know. What do you guys think? Getting scared? Are the anti-Eldar players out there getting scared? Do you think they're running? Or do you think they're plotting the Aeldari destruction?